This video will review what you can do with your own profile in Content Server Smart View. To open your profile, go to the header, click the profile image, and then click your name. On your General tab, you can personalize your profile by uploading or updating your picture and by entering other information about yourself. Your Following tab shows the mini profiles of the people you are following. Your Followers tab shows the mini profiles of any people following you. These tabs also include an activity feed that shows the recent activities of these other users. On your Following tab, you can search for users to follow, and then click the follow icon on their mini profile if you want to follow them. Your Activity tab lists your recent activity. You can filter which activities are listed by using the Refine By checkboxes. Anywhere you see a comment icon on the Activity tab, you can click to read the comments added, to add your own comment or reply, or to attach a file or include an emoji. You can also edit or delete your own comments or replies. Your Settings tab allows you to customize your notifications and privacy settings. For notifications, select the checkboxes for the notifications that you want to receive. For privacy settings, select the privacy level option that you want for your messages and updates. Thank you for watching.